Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do a bold lip tutorial. First of all, I'll be taking my Vaseline to moisturize my lips. So I'm going to be taking a small portion and I'm going to be massaging it into my lips. This is very important for any lip work you're doing, and particularly for those who have chapped lips. So now I'm taking my gel liner, Adds Mesmerizing liner. It's in the brown shade. So I'm just going to take it. It comes with this brush. So I'm going to be using it to line my lips. So I'm starting out with my my cupid bow. So I'm going to be using the gel liner to accentuate my cupid bow. At this point, you can decide whether you want to overline or you want to just outline. If you have a small lips and you want to make your lips appear plumper, you can go ahead and overline. That means line it a bit outside of your natural lip line. However, if you have a big lips, you want to outline it to make it appear smaller. So I'm just going ahead. Ensure while you are lining it, you're trying to make um the two halves of your lips equally lined, like lined equally. So that's what I'm just doing. So the video is already self-explanatory on its own, but I'm just showing you in details. So I'm going ahead. You can also use your eye pencil to line your lips, or your lip pencil. So I'm filling it in. So whichever works for you. But you can however also use a darker shade of lipstick to line your lips, or the lipstick you are using, you can use it to line your lips depending on which you prefer. However, I choose to line it with this so that it gives a nice transition for my lips because of my skin tone. So I'm also going to go ahead and line the bottom of my lips, and I'm starting from the inner corners of my lips, and I'm going to line it all the way down. For the lower parts, I'm not going to blend it into my lips, so I'm just going to leave it that way. Also, while you're doing your makeup and you get to the lip part, you can also apply a little foundation just to make to blur out and give your lips a fresh canvas. So I'm using the lipstick from Iman Makeup in this shade. This is more like pepper red. Like, so I'm just going to go ahead and spread it across my lips on the first swipe and blend it in the upwards area. Then after blending it, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my lip buffing brush and just going to buff the lipstick into my lips just to set it properly and blend in properly. So I'm going to be buffing all the way. Now I'm going to take it again and take a second swipe just to give it that extra bold lips. So I'm going to be taking a second swipe. I'm going to be filling it depending on how intense you want your lipstick to be. So this is how intense, but try not to over layer your lips, else it's going to crack, it's going to break, and it's going to smudge and it's going to look so nice. So I'm buffing it again with my blending my lip blending buffer brush. So I'm just buffing and buffing and buffing. So I'm just going to use the brush just to outline that area. And now I'm putting gloss. what is lipstick without gloss? However, you can leave yours matte if you wish, but I love the extra that gloss gives. So I'm just going to layer it just once. This is my magic gloss. So it's really glossy. So I don't need to over layer the gloss. So I'm going to also put on the upper part too. If you've watched to this point, do well to like this video, do well to leave your comments on what you think if you've tried it out, and do well to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification. So this is the final look, the finished touch of the bold lip tutorial. So if you would like to try it and leave in the comments what you think. If you have any other videos you have in mind for me to create, let me know in the comment section. Bye.